Welcome to Naturetastic with Henry. Today we've come to Cambourne Nature Reserve to take part in their family trail, to have fun and for a little explore, and hopefully to see lots of wildlife. And it's a mix between woodlands, wetlands and meadows. And Oakwood is home to two protected species, the badger and the great crested newt. And now let's see what we can find. We saw some rabbits, but they shot off into the undergrowth when we got close. From the treetops falling down, there's bits of sticks, rotting wood and lots of moss. And that's great for the insects. We're in the oak wood, and as you can see there's some nice tall oak trees. And I found an acorn on the floor. If we planted it, it would grow into a nice tall oak tree. Elderberries are above us, and the birds love elderberries. Up there. One of the tasks on the trail was to dance with the tree. Look at this amazing tree with its roots. It's got a gap there that I think you can go in. Do you think anything lives in here? I wonder what lives in here. I think it's too big for a rabbit. Remember I said about the protected species? This is the Badger Sett. There's lots of holes. This Badger Sett would be home to a big family, and the Badger Sett would get bigger and bigger each year. Amazing. One of the challenges is to hug a tree and then search for bugs. Look, a wildflower meadow. It's great for the bees and pollinators and insects. Loads of butterflies in here. This is a meadow brown butterfly. Can you see the big spot that looks like an eye to scare off predators? Here's the bee. He'll be helping to pollinate this wildflower meadow. This challenge is to have a photo by the Wildlife Trust sign. Cheese! It's been a very hot summer, and today's, I think, the hottest day of the year. And this pond is all dried up. This pond's dry too, but you can see how high it is in the winter. Lots of the insect life would have had to move on, but some might be hiding in the mud. This end of the pond still has water in it, and around it there's bees, damselflies, dragonflies, and it really shows how important water is. As well as looking at the nature and wildlife, we've taken part in some of the family trials. And if you want to have a go, take a look at the link below. We started here and walked round Oaks Wood and then up to the headquarters, then back down past the dry ponds down to the wet pond, and now we're just going to go back to the car park. Hope you enjoyed this nature